my friends and family, when they have a child, I say happy birthday mummy rather than saying
हाँ.
happy birthday child. क्योंकि बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आएगी, तुम्हें समझ में आनी चाहिए that you are born today. So don't expect yourself to be like a born mother.
Of course, yes.
You are growing with them. What you
As a
knew
parent.
yesterday, has not happened today. So everything is a new day. Everything is great. So a lot of people get into the whole thing is यार मैं इतना बड़ा हो गया हूँ, मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आ रही. But as a parent, you are as old as your child.
True.
So,
Suchi, you have something to say? So Suchi is the person, Sushant ji, who
and
connected me
एक
to
छोटा सा
you.
रिक्वेस्ट एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट can you use सुशांत? ये जी बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है यार. मैं इधर से यार बोल रहा हूँ, which is like a comes out of my mouth, and you're saying जी बड़ा. What's going on? It's very very strange. So Sushant will work.
Okay. So
Thanks.
Suchi got connected. Suchi got us connected actually.
अच्छा.
She heard you in Y-Flow event. I mentioned you, if you remember.
In Calcutta.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Suchi, you were there in the event that
Yeah,
day?
I was there at the event and I actually loved जो मुझे motivation उस समय मिला वहाँ पे आपसे. So I thought कि और better platform है Zoom पे ना, it's better, थोड़ा और connect होता है easily.
You're the first person who's saying Zoom पे ज़्यादा connect होता
हाँ,
है.
मुझे actually Zoom पे better लगता है. And
हाँ, but
दूसरा,
that event was very short. We had
हाँ,
just
that
about a
event
few
was very
minutes.
short. हाँ, because there were many number of speakers,
Yeah.
तो वो आपका time बहुत कम था उसमें.
I think everybody got वही 10-15 minutes and that's
Yeah,
about
yeah.
it. It was nice. It was good.
And best part is since men are not allowed by, but my husband is sitting beside me. वो camera
Oh.
में, he's
अच्छा,
listening.
allowed नहीं है. कविता allowed नहीं है, ऐसा है क्या?
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वो ऐसे ही बोल रही है.
So my small request to all of you, if you have your hubbies right near you, ask them to join. It will be great fun.
Yes, absolutely. Even the
बोलो आ
kids.
जाओ.
बच्चों को भी बुला लो.
नहीं बच्चों को मत बुलाओ. बच्चों को मत बुलाओ. बच्चों के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट हो जाती है. बच्चों को रहने दो. बच्चों के साथ आप बात करना आफ्टर द सेशन.
Yes.
Because then I'll have to plan the session slightly differently. You can't have certain conversations with them.
In front
I
of
don't
them.
want them to be left with कि यार मम्मी ने गलती करी थी, पापा ने गलती करी थी. So that kind of creates a difficult situation. मैं तो बोल दूंगा, आप फंस जाओगे.
So we also have Bhavika with us. Bhavika is heading our Karnataka chapter, Sushant.
Okay. So great, yeah. So
So
Bhavika, you're based out of what?
Bangalore.
Bangalore?
Bangalore.
Great. So beyond all this, what all do you do?
Beyond all this,
Like beyond this, what is the whole thing into? What are you doing?
at Cafe, we are trying to inspire women to start their own business
Okay.
after the
Interesting.
kids have grown up. So that is why we have more members here with grown-up kids.
So I can definitely shift something for you right now in a minute. हमारे जो ये है ना कि जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे तब करेंगे. We can do it whenever we want to. So it's not about kids बड़े हो जाएंगे because we feel कि they need us more. Sure, they do. But in parenting, there's a huge myth that time matters. We need to spend more time. And that's what a lot of people keep saying, spend more time with your children, spend more time with your children. But what we say is your parenting is not connected with the time you spend. It's absolutely not.
Quality over quantity.
And what do you mean by quality? That's a very big question.
Actually,
A lot of people
yes.
say spend quality time. ये quality time होता क्या है, ये क्या है, ये नहीं समझ में आता. So वही एक बहुत बड़ा myth है. If you really ask me, I do this. I spend 15-20 minutes a day with them, and my wife has never stopped working. Ever since like it's been 26 years of marriage, and she's never stopped working, except those 2-3 months of maternity leave, and that's it. And the relationship has not altered at all. So that's a very different ballgame. What do you do? How do you keep that aside? Maybe आज के session में वो कुछ insights मिल जाएंगे.
We hope so.
So we promise when people come for our program, not this, but the main program, which is like a 30, 40, 50 hour program.
Okay.
One of the promises is कि भैया उसके बाद as you are going through the program, specifically the women, start looking for something, because after 2-3 months you won't have anything to do. They would do everything on their own. So आपको कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, तो फिर क्या करोगे? कुछ ढूंढना शुरू कर दो अभी से.
ये बहुत अच्छा साउंड कर रहे हैं सुशांत.
And it's a fact. And your child could be 3-4 year old. They can manage their life on their own.
My younger one
Absolutely.
is going to be 4 this March.
चार तो
So
बहुत बड़ा
I
हो
was
गया.
supposed to when I started my work with my exhibitions.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. आराम से हो जाता. And your parenting can go to a different level. So that's a different story. So parenting and time don't have a connection, by the way. So sorry यार, हम गप्पे मारते रह जाएंगे. Over to you. Otherwise,
Yeah, no.
actually,
So
I have a session at 5 उसके बाद, so I will.
yes, that is why we have started a bit early today at
Yeah,
2:30.
Yeah.
So let me introduce you formally to everybody who don't, who hasn't seen your profile yet. So good afternoon, everyone. And today we have Sushant Kalraji with us, who has founded Parvarish Institute of Parenting. So इसके बारे में सुशांत जी, I will ask you a little bit कि Institute of Parenting ये मैंने पहली बार सुना है कि parenting का भी institute है. So it really sounds very interesting to me. And after a career of 28 years in banking, financing, insurance, and into training industries, why parenting? So
अभी जवाब दे दूं?
नहीं, एक बार मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूं. थोड़ा छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन करूंगी.
ये
just
बहुत लंबा है ये.
नहीं, I will not. That's why I just shared it on the screen so that everybody can see it. नहीं तो I will miss out on a few points maybe. So Sushant ji is a parenting coach who has trained over 20,000 parents, and we are adding to that number today by another 50 maybe. And he has been on TEDx platform thrice, and I've heard all the 3 TEDx talks, which were wonderful. I have shared one on our platform already, and we'll be sharing 2 more after the session, so that everybody must go through those talks of his. And he also trains teachers across India in schools. He's won the Best Teacher and Parent Coach Award also. And besides several other awards like Education Innovator Award and also the Courageous Class Award. Okay. So Sushant ji, welcome to Cafe.
Pleasure.
And first
सबके हाथ में
question.
कॉफी है नहीं है?
नहीं, हम लोगों को ये टाइम का हैबिट है. So post lunch.
नहीं, कैफे.
Oh, अच्छा, cafe. Okay. So we used to serve when we used to have our sessions, in person. So हम लोग चाय कॉफी तब सर्व करते थे. But अभी तो everybody on their own.
Perfect. So you sorry, over to you. Your question.
Yeah. So Sushant ji, I would like to start with asking you the first question. कि why Parenting Institute?
So यार इसके ना 2 आंसर्स हैं. एक उस टाइम का why I started off है, एक आंसर आज का है. But I'll start with something which was there before, and you'll find it very strange. Okay, it's a very different situation. It's a very paradoxical situation. So me and my wife, we married in 1995, and both of us are very, very clear that we don't want to have children. We were absolutely clear that we are not going to have kids, because at that time we got married at about 25, 26. All my friends, my families, my cousins had already gotten married. They had children. So we had experience and saw that. I saw every parent struggling. वो कुछ ना कुछ सोता नहीं है, खाता नहीं है, पीता नहीं है. जिनके बड़े बच्चे हो गए वो सुनता नहीं है. So it was like, and when we used to interact with their children used to crib about their parents. कि यार पेरेंट्स समझते नहीं है, 24 घंटे हमारे पीछे पड़े रहते हैं. उनको ये, हम सो रहे होते हैं तो बोलते हैं उठ जाओ, हम उठ रहे होते हैं तो बोलते हैं अब सो जाओ, पढ़ नहीं रहे हो, खेल नहीं रहे हो. So I said, यार, what's the point of getting a life in this world? Creating a difficult situation for them and for yourself. So let's not have kids. Let's have fun. We're not going to have kids. And that's how the life was going on. And in India, when I keep saying to people, you can get married, but if you can't not have children in India. Even the dog on the road will keep asking you, क्या हुआ, कोई problem है क्या? So, and I have a family which is huge. Like within 1 kilometer of where I'm staying right now, there are 100 cousins. So it was every party, every situation. It used to be like, kya ho raha hai, kya ho raha hai, kya ho raha hai? And finally we gave in. Amban happened in 6th year of marriage. And after my parents said, "Acha, tum kar lo, paal hum lenge." But when Monica was pregnant, 1999, at that time I was saying, yeah, there has to be a process behind. There has to be some way out of it. This can't be maddening. It can't be bad for everyone. It can't be tough for everyone. There has to be some process to it. And that's the time I started researching, reading, observing children, observing parents, talking to them, writing, did a lot of stuff. And then Aman became that guinea pig where we started doing stuff. And it turned out to be beautiful, by the way. If you really ask me, it's so beautiful. At that point of time, people used to say, "Aman abhi chota hai, bade hone do." Aman is 20 plus now. My experience of holding him in my arms for the very first time, the day he was born, the experience I have that experience even yesterday when I'm talking to him. So that's the experience we could create every day. And I said, yeah, if I being a finance professional, my wife being a finance professional, if we could do it in our limited time period with our limited knowledge, why can't everybody else do it? So we created what we did as a small training program in 2005, did it with a group of parents. We got amazing reviews for it. A school principal sat through it. So that was the start point of that something can be done. So while I was having a great career with Max New York Life, was heading customer service and operations. One day I said, "Yeah, bahut ho gaya. This is something everybody needs. Let me try it out. Somebody has to bell the cat, so let it be me." So I quit my job, started it off, and from a 2-hour program, a 3-hour program which we started off. Right now, the parenting program which we conduct with parents is a 50-hour program, spread over 2.5, 3 months. And the promise of that program is that whatever you're dealing with and whatever you want will happen, no questions asked. Your child could be 2-year-old, your child could be 25-year-old, doesn't matter. And over the last 8 years, and we give a promise that in case you are not happy, in case you come back and say, "Jo main chahta tha wo nahi hua, nahi hui, nahi kar paaye," you come back and I will refund the entire fees back without a question. And we've been working with parents across the globe. We've worked with parents in the Bhil community, the tribals, to American, Japanese, Chinese, Australian parents. And no one has come back and said, "Kya nahi hua." Not one. So that's the journey. But the reason, which I said, there is a reason for today, which over the years I've experienced, and I think you all will agree with me, is that parenting in our parents' times, when we were getting parented, was, if you really ask me, was much, much easier. There was a huge amount of support. Even the neighborhood, your relatives, or bringing up the kids together. So, for example, if I would do something which would not be right, my neighbors would come and support. They would come, "Beta, aise nahi karte, aise karo, ye mat karo." Matlab, they would also be supportive. Today, if you really ask me, if our children do something wrong, everybody will push them to do more wrong. We don't have that support anymore. The families who used to stay together and children used to grow up together with 4, 5, 6 children and elder children taking care of younger children, it's all gone. Those families are not there anymore. That support structure is missing. Besides that, if you really look at it, and I'm sure each one of you will be experiencing it right now also, the amount of exposure our children have of everything, be it sexual content, be it alcohol, be it drugs, be it media, be it the cultural impact, the media which is coming in, the social media which is disturbing them, the peer pressure is humongous. Like even a nursery class student is worried about, मेरे जूते कौन से ब्रांड के हैं, मेरा बैग कौन से ब्रांड का है, what car is my mom coming and dropping me in, where did I go for my holiday, what phone is my dad carrying, and they're discussing that. It's not easy, and we have no idea how to handle it. As a parent, that pressure is so high, and it's so high on that child, and we all are getting stuck. And it has a huge impact, by the way. If you really ask me, the impact is humongous. The impact of screens on our children's brain, the impact on the food they're eating. We never had those ads of those cheeseburgers and pizzas and flowing off, and we didn't know. The only thing we used to eat, which used to be junk food, used to be puchkas, right? You guys are from more from Calcutta, right?
Mostly, yes.
আমিও বাঙালি, okay? আমি যাদবপুরের ছেলে. Not Bengali, I'm a Punjabi, but I can speak Bengali. You must have got that accent. So even if you want to talk in Bengali, it will be perfectly fine. Kishtiyo dite pari. So coming back to this, so the kind of pressure each of us as a parent going through, our children are going through, we need to learn the art. It cannot happen automatically, because right now, if we leave our children on their own and we don't provide them with the skills to manage what I'm talking about, it's a bottomless pit. You know, a 2-year-old is into screen addiction. I've not seen, we worked so extensively with schools, I've not seen a school where children of class 5 and 6 are not into alcohol or drugs. It's rampant. Weed is everywhere in the country. And as parents, we are not even aware of it. How do we handle it? The amount of exposure on sexuality which is happening. Our children are getting an exposure to sexuality at what, 3-4-year-old, yeah. How do they handle it? They have no idea how to handle it. The average age of children indulging in sexual acts is gone down to 12 in India, which is dangerous. But you can't help it. The exposure is so high, and how do we handle it? So I'm sorry, a long answer to a very short question of why Institute of Parenting, because parenting does not come naturally. It has to be, it needs to be consciously learned. 30 years back, I won't have said that. But right now, if you really ask me, it's difficult. And as a parent, we can't afford not to do it, because the slippage is so big. You know, every year, like if you really ask me the statistics of it, India has the maximum number of children committing suicide in the world. 2 years back, about 28 children used to commit suicide every day. That's a published number. And this number is doubling up every year. So the mental, emotional pressure they're going through, we have no idea. So it's super, super, super critical to do this. अगर मैं आप लोगों से पूछूं या आपके हस्बैंड से भी पूछूं, आप लोग इतनी मेहनत किसके लिए कर रहे हो, you will have just one word to say.
बच्चों के लिए
कर रहे हो. So super critical. And by the way, it's difficult because a lot of people think it's natural. कर लेंगे अपने आप, but a little bit of support, a little bit of hand holding can work wonders. And that's the purpose we are on.
Yes. And what a fabulous purpose.
Yeah, it is. So my parents were surprised. My dad used to be very surprised कि मैं लोगों को क्या बोलूँगा, मेरा बेटा क्या करता है. So he used to have a card saying Vice President Max Neoclive, which he was proud to share, and then he was saying हम क्या बोलूँ. वो लोगों को पेरेंट बनने के बाद पेरेंटिंग सिखाता है. But really, every day it's been a bliss. It's been an amazing journey for the last 10 years. Tough for sure, financially very tough, but it's been so blissful. It's been beautiful when we get responses for parents at what has happened and what kind of work they've been able to do and how they've been able to support their children. Nothing more beautiful than that.
Fabulous.
So
Shanji, next
लंबा
question.
आंसर दे दिया मैंने.
Next question.
हाँ,
किसके लिए ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है? पेरेंट्स के लिए ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है आजकल कि बच्चों के लिए ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है?
Tough question, यार. ये पहली बार ऐसा question आया, but I love the question. So
because abhi jaise as parents we are also not satisfied with our own performance as a parent, and I'm sure even the children are not satisfied with their own performance as a children.
So एक चीज, before answering the question, I want to say to all of you, okay, if you, whenever you have a doubt that am I a good mother, I'm sure ये question ना हर एक के पास आएगा, मेरे पास भी आता है.
हाँ,
उस question को ना आज के बाद कचरे के डब्बे में डाल दो. I have never ever met a bad parent in my life. You can make mistakes for sure. But आज देख लो ना, आज आप लोग क्यों आए हो यहाँ पे? अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा पता नहीं है, but you are here to get something so that you can make your child's life better. You can contribute to your child. You will do everything and anything. In your dreams you can't think of कि मैं उनको कुछ गलत कर दूं. अगर आपने उनको थप्पड़ भी मारा ना, चाहे वो थप्पड़ मारना गलत है, उनकी भलाई के लिए मारा था. I don't justify that, but I'm saying don't go into the guilt of am I a bad mother. So आएगा दिमाग में, जरूर आएगा. मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरे भी आता है. Throw this question out of the window. Whenever it comes, remember this conversation and forget it. So coming back to your original question, is it more difficult for parents or is it more difficult for children? I don't know how to define it more difficult, what is more difficult, but if you really ask me, अगर मैं इसका आंसर दे पाऊंगा ना, तो मेरे हिसाब से it's more difficult for children right now. And the only reason is that whatever worse can happen to our children, whatever worse, as a parent I can only see it. I can only see it in the background and say उसके साथ हो रहा है. I can only cry about it. I can feel bad about it. But who उसके साथ रहा है? I can feel bad about a child getting into drugs. But drugs से actual जिसकी body damage हो रही है वो तो उसी की हो रही है ना.
Correct.
Life तो उसकी बर्बाद हो रही है. यहाँ से बाहर से देख के मेरी भी life ठीक नहीं है, but the impact of mine is दूर. And I will keep telling myself that I didn't do the job well. But the person who's getting impacted is the person who's getting impacted from that angle. So the kind of peer pressure, हम लोग बच्चों को बोलते हैं कि तू अपने फ्रेंड्स की इतनी क्यों सुनता है, मेरी सुन. But think about it. Even while they know that it is wrong, they're not able to pull themselves out. So their situation is tough, is really tough. Yeah. Being a child in the current scenario is far tougher than we being parents. A child in that time. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, and having said that, whatever we as a parent, and specifically a role of a mother, because mothers are here on the call, whether we like it or not, whether we say it or not, मैं यहाँ बोल रहा हूँ कि यार husbands को भी साथ ले आओ, but husbands नहीं है ना, साथ नहीं है ना. In India, not in India, but actually worldwide, India में ज़्यादा है थोड़ा सा, that this role of nurturing, कि यार बच्चों को बड़ा करना ना, whether we like it or not, whether I approve it or not, it's primarily become a woman's job. अगर बच्चा खाता नहीं है ना, तो माँ को दिखाया जाता है तू खिलाती नहीं है. बच्चा अगर गलत बोल देता है, बदतमीजी से बोलता है, देख तूने सिखाया नहीं है. So whether we like it or not, the finger gets pointed at the women. Unfair, incorrect, agreed, but that's the reality of life. So pretty tough for a mom and far tougher.
But Sushant ji, at the same time, if he does anything good, the praise goes to the father.
Also.
It always goes to the father, never for the mother.
नहीं यार, ये थोड़ा सा harsh हो गया. I would
agree. नहीं, harsh नहीं है, ये reality
है.
नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है, जब कोई अच्छा कर रहा होता है तो बोलता है देख मेरा बच्चा कैसा कर रहा है, और जैसे वो कुछ गलत करता है, देख तेरा बच्चा कैसा कर रहा है. I agree. It's unfair. But क्या करें यार, it will take time to change, and things are changing. मतलब if you really see how our parents used to get involved, how my dada used to get involved versus currently parents getting involved, it's a huge difference.
Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
Like you said, there is so much of exposure for our children today. Simultaneously, parents also have so much of exposure of parenting today. Like we have changed our concepts of parenting today. Parents way back 15 years and today are far different. Like we have given more room to our children than we got at that time. So we give more room to our children. Like you said, we keep saying ki beta friends se zyada baat mat karo. But as compared to us, or maybe before that,
more room.
Far more room. Like our children discuss their friends' discussion with us. We share friendship with their friends. So we feel today parenting has also changed a lot, way back from 15 to 20 years back.
Absolutely.
So I'm sorry to interrupt, but I was like not accepting so many things that you put on, maybe with majority. But as for me, I feel what I've seen as a child of my parents. I'm 40 now, and what I'm giving kind of parenting to my children is far different from what we were discussing. Like not typical that parenting.
I'm
So
saying
so different.
it's so I didn't, where did I say that आप नहीं कर रहे हो? I said हाँ, definitely different है, changes हैं. You are participating. The husbands are far more participating than what they were 40 years back.
Absolutely. And in our times तो अगर पापा को पूछ लिया जाता था कि बच्चे कौन से क्लास में हैं,
पता नहीं होता.
हाँ, he used to ask मम्मी 7 में है, 8 में है, मतलब और अभी you can't do that. Your child will be like, what, daddy, you don't know?
Even fathers have become very
But Tarun,
participative.
I didn't get the context of what you were saying. So अच्छा, एक quick question to Kavita right now. So how do we want this thing to go on? Do we keep discussing and keep chatting up like this, or do we
No,
actually
if
take
you,
up something?
yeah,
As you
please.
said.
Your choice. I'm leaving it to you. I'm fine. We can keep chatting. I can keep
No,
giving you nuggets.
No, I think chatting will go on forever like this. So
Yeah.
let's start the session, Sushanji.
Okay. So anything in particular? So you wanted me to cover the whole relationship thing, right?
Yeah, like I suggested you the topic of connecting with the, today's
खेलेंगे ना पॉइंट का
children.
दिबे ना एक दो बार
Just a second. Let me mute everybody. So as we go, let me mute everybody. Sushanji, you need to unmute yourself.
And you're still using the G, huh?
Yeah, so the topic can be connecting. How do we
Okay.
connect with our children?
Perfect. So उसको करते हैं. And
Then-
actually, by the way, 1 hour is too short for that. Too short for it. Let me try and see if we can do that. So now, what I wanted to tell you before we get into this whole space of connecting with children is the whole process which Parvarish as an organization, as we follow. So in a session like this, if you're expecting some tips, here, ye karo, ye mat karo, do this, this is good, this is how you connect, you're not going to get it. It's not going to happen. So what we do is we take parents through a process. And in that process, you experience what you experience. So where I want to start off this discussion with all of you is talking about you, talking about yourself first. And how you start getting connected to yourself first will support you in connecting with your child. Now think about it. हमें अपने आप से कनेक्शन करने में बहुत डिफिकल्टी लगती है. हमें खुद ही नहीं पता होता हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है. तो जब तक वो नहीं होगा तो हम उनको कैसे संभालेंगे और उनके साथ कनेक्शन कैसे बिल्ड करेंगे. So the first thing happens here. So my request to you would be, let's see if we can do it within 1 hour. It will be a challenge today for me. But take this journey with me. And I think it's last 8-9 months have given us a completely different perspective of it, so that it'll help us get more present to ourselves. So how I want to take you through this journey of connecting with yourself and your child is, look at the last 8-9 months, right? 8-9 months of your life. And I think it's been the toughest as far as we all are concerned. It's a phase for the last 9 months where the entire world, like 7.5 billion people, have been thrown into a war-like situation. It's not a war-like situation, it's a war situation where all of us are fighting an enemy, a fatal enemy, a very powerful enemy, an enemy we can't even see. We don't even know how it's striking. It's striking all over the place. We don't have an answer to that. We're losing people, we're losing friends, we're losing family to it, and we have no idea when it's going to end. And I think in the very first time in our lives, we all say life is uncertain, but I think first time in our life, uncertainty has looked at us on the face like this, where I'm sure each one of you would have, at least at some point of time in the last 8 months, had this thought here: am I going to survive tomorrow? Am I going to have those people in my life tomorrow? What will happen to my business? What will happen to my children? What is happening to my child's future? I'm sure हर एक के दिमाग में ये आया होगा, and it was in reality. I'm not even saying कि हम weak हो गए तो उस time पे, it was reality, because looking at those numbers of deaths every day, the numbers of infections every day growing and going, and in Delhi today there's not a single bed available in any of the hospitals, be it government hospital or a private hospital. They're not available. So and cases are going up. So how do we actually manage it? Every day in the morning when we read that numbers for your city, for your country, for the world, it takes our mind to a very different state. I think 8-9 महीने में हम नम भी होने लग गए कि यार वो नंबर आया चला गया आगे. But think about it, it's impacting us physically, it's impacting us mentally, emotionally. Then the news of somebody like a Sushant Singh Rajput who commits suicide, and suddenly we were saying, such a great guy with everything in his life working well, never expected, and he's committed suicide. And that left a question not just in your minds, even in children's mind, ki what is the point of living? What is the point of having this if a person who's so successful, so great, and still kills himself? So as a parent, as a human being, as a mother, as a daughter, as a sister, what have you gone through as a person in the last few months managing everything from home? Anybody who are working, so अपना जॉब भी देखना है, अपने बच्चे भी देखने हैं, इन लॉस के साथ भी देखना है, you're worried about your own parents, your husband, doing the household chores, खाना भी खुद ही बनाना है और धोना भी खुद ही है और कपड़े भी खुद ही मांजने हैं, और मतलब सब कुछ खुद करना है. And children are shouting at one point and the husband needs something else, parents need something else, and we are running from one end to the other and one end to the other, and it's been non-stop. Financially, it's had a huge impact. A lot of people have been dipping into their savings, the salaries have gone down, the businesses have gone down, the money we were not worried about it suddenly started worrying us. Looking at our own families, looking at how it's impacting our spouses, our family businesses, it's been tough, right? And when we do those chores, we go home. Like, if you really ask me, going out and buying those milk and vegetables every day, there was a huge fear in my mind when I used to come back that, am I carrying the virus back? Will it impact my dad? My parents are 76 plus. उनको कुछ ना हो जाए, बच्चों को बात कर रहा हूँ, उनके साथ कुछ ना हो जाए. It wasn't easy. And it's still not. It's been like 9 months of it, and right now I think each one of you would be experiencing some fatigue. यार बहुत हो गया यार, अब बाहर जाना है. Personally, if you ask me, we quickly shifted to conducting these sessions online, and really grateful that our kind of sessions are supporting parents and children and teachers during these times. And we've been conducting about 50, 60, 70 sessions a month. This is my second of the day, and there's one more coming. So every day doing all that stuff. And right now, if you ask me, personally, थक गया यार, मतलब रियली टायर्ड, अब बहुत हो गया, अब छुट्टी चाहिए थोड़ी सी. बट नहीं है. I thought Monday would be a holiday. Monday is still not a holiday. I have 3 sessions on Monday again, and just can't think of it. So, and this is not my story, okay? I think each one of you has gone through your own journey over the last 9-8 months, and it's been a huge roller coaster. I'm sure finding time for yourself, resting, has become a luxury. So what I wanted to share and ask you is, like, what are you going through? The stress, the emotions, the snappiness, the losing of patience. And when सब कुछ हो जाता है, and then we say something to our kids and we shout at them and later realize कि यार उसकी तो गलती नहीं थी, उसको क्यों डांट दिया, and then we get into the guilt of it, physical impact of it, the mental impact of it, the fun of it also. So I'm not saying it's not bad. There have been times when we were together as a family, feeling grateful, loving, spending so much of time with family. Those board games have come out and fun has happened and playing is happening. So there is enjoyment happening also. It's not that things have only been one-sided. So I want to ask all of you, and I know all of you will not be able to share because we don't have too much of time. Let's spend the next 10 minutes listening from you all, that what has been your journey, what has been your space in the last 6, 8 months, 9 months, and what have you gone through? Anybody? And you don't have to share the incidents, you don't have to share, just express What did you feel? What did you go through? What did you experience?
Should I say?
Sure, absolutely. Who's that?
Shelja.
Sure, Shalja.
I thought that I or the family has been shifted to a farmhouse and we are all doing our household chores, spending time together.
Wow.
It's me time or it's we time.
Wow.
We really enjoyed the 7-8 months.
Mm-hmm.
There is always a fear of virus, but as there's a lockdown from the first 3 months, there's nothing, nowhere to go out.
Yeah.
So it was really enjoyable time.
Yeah. And my request, Shalja, is मैं ना अभी एक चीज share करता हूँ. I want to share this with all of you.
Okay.
And really look at this screen, okay? Just give me a second. Can you see this on your screen?
Yeah.
So as you're sharing, Shalja, and you said that we all moved on to a farmhouse. We were all together. But take some time and really go through that journey. I'm sure there would be a lot of other stuff which would happen. I'm not saying good, bad, ugly, but look at all what you experienced for yourself and give yourself the time. Okay, this is a lot many emotions, many feelings written on this chart. You can start from the center. That's how normally I use it, your choice, which gives us certain gross feelings, and then move towards the circumference and see what all did we go through. Like we're sitting there, I'm sure sitting in a farmhouse, the news would be coming. There would be other people in the family, the extended family, knowing about what is happening in the world. I'm sure as a human being, it impacts us. It gives us into those feelings. So take your time, and nothing wrong with it, okay? So my request is right now in this conversation, don't get into negative feelings and positive feelings. By the way, there's no negative feelings, there's no positive feelings. Feelings are feelings. So don't bucket them, but look at it. Look at all of it, from the yellow to the blue to the gray to the black to the red, whatever. What all did you go through? And this question is open to all of you. What all did you go through? What are you experiencing? Even today, if you really ask me, even today, it's just not over. By the time the vaccine is going to come and it's going to reach us, it will be this time next year. So it will give you hope, obviously, but we can't lax it down. जब तक वो अमिताभ बोलता रहता है ना, जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक क्या ढिलाई नहीं. So, and it's not easy, yeah. It's not easy. Children being at home, bottled down, we managing them. So how's it been? What all have you experienced? So anyone, and you can just share the feelings. You can just name it out if you want to do that. And I know what I'm asking you to do. We normally don't do that ever. So Rinku, whatever the mixed feelings are, like identify it. Look at these feelings and just speak out that these are the feelings which speak to you. Anyone?
Can I speak?
Yeah, sure, please. And Kavita, can you give me the rights to annotate? Is it possible?
Yeah, I'll change the settings.
Sure, thanks. By the way, and you continue. I didn't get your name.
Yeah.
Who's?
My name is Abhilasha.
Yeah, Abhilasha, please.
I had mixed feelings. Mostly I was aggressive. I was frustrated.
Mm-hmm.
Then I was contented sometimes. I felt peaceful at times.
Yeah.
Yes, I felt a power that everything, it's with me. My child is under me, safe with me. That's what I felt.
Right.
Then by this, I was anxious. I was, threatened by the scenario. But I think whatever is written over there, I have gone through most of them. Because each day was different. Each day was different.
Actually, if you really ask me, each hour would have been different. You would be starting with X and suddenly going some X. It was like two one-shot happening together.
Right. Absolutely correct. When I'm just going through the circle, the rays, I can feel each and every emotion written over here. I have felt it. I can very nicely, I can relate each incident where I have felt each emotion written here.
Yeah, Abhilasha, thanks for saying that. My request is, as we are conversing and as you're spending more time with this wheel, get present to it. and articulate it for yourself. Even if you can't speak out right now, you can write it. Yeah, ये मेरे को उस time feel हुआ था, ये मुझे इस time पे feel हुआ था, and just get present to it. Nothing wrong with it, nothing right with it. If it feels overwhelming saying that, my request is it's perfectly fine to feel overwhelmed right now. It's perfectly fine to feel sad even right now, and grateful right now. So don't analyze it, don't judge it, just get present to it. So the more you can read, the more you can get present. That's what I want to ask all of you to do right now. So-
Can I say something?
Sure, absolutely.
This is Parul Agarwal,
Yeah, Papa.
Kolkata.
Yeah.
Actually, initially when the lockdown started and the pandemic came in, so it was very depressing that what actually has happened, state of war, something very uncertain. But during the entire phase, maybe because my profession is of that kind, I got connected to a cafe. Cafe helped me regain myself. So
Wow.
mostly positive things happened with me.
Perfect.
Mostly positive things, and because I'm a motivational coach and counselor, so things were on a more positive side, maybe because of the mindset, or you can say that I have learned a lot. I have grown a lot. I would say I've taught my children one important thing: to grow with what you go through, to grow what you go through. So it was a awesome experience for me. Like initially, yes, I cursed pandemic. I had that mixed feeling of negativity and scaredness
So
of the
Parul,
thing.
एक छोटा सा request करूं?
Huh?
So whatever you're sharing now, my request is if you not use the two words negative and positive,
Hmm.
because we all start judging an emotion. We say being angry is a negative emotion. Being angry is not a negative emotion. It's an emotion. If
It's an
we,
expression. Yeah.
if it's not an expression, it's an
Okay.
emotion. So I'll talk about expression. I'm talking about the
Okay.
emotion, anger. Anger is perfectly fine. If something happens, if somebody does something to my close one, I should be angry. If the person defending the country on the border does not get angry, he will not be able to defend the border. He will not be able to kill the other human being, right?
Absolutely.
Anger is an emotion, a very valid emotion, an emotion as a human being, which is not positive or negative. So there's no negative emotion, there's no positive emotion. We say happiness is positive. Now, if you find somebody happy and laughing at a death, that's not negative, that's not positive. So there's no positive or negative emotion. So my request, as you're sharing yourself, my request would be keep looking at these and start articulating. I felt happy, I felt proud, I felt this, versus saying I felt negative and positive.
Okay.
Right? And my request, that's my request to all of you, right? This is one thing we all do. That's what we've been trained to. We've been all taught, yeah, be positive, don't be negative, don't think about it. When we see somebody cry, say, रो मत, रोना अच्छी बात नहीं होती है. Here I am saying, if you want to cry, go cry. It's absolutely okay to cry. In the last 6-8 months, I would have personally cried 20 times, like cried, if not more. With my dad, with my son, with my daughter, just pouring it out and letting it be. So it's okay. So my request would be, as you're going through this exercise, don't
Okay.
evaluate a feeling. And this is a request to all of you. Yeah, sorry, back to you.
Not to categorizing into negative and positive.
Absolutely.
Okay, fine. So I felt blessed.
Yeah.
To be very honest, I felt so blessed because I
Great.
came across so many people. I had clients, but since we were back home and working through Zoom or any these things, so I felt blessed. I felt blessed because initially I always had a guilt of feeling that I could not give much time to my children. I had spent gala time
Family
with my
time.
family.
Great.
Yeah, gala time. I had a time when I could actually share emotions with each other, with my spouse, with my
Wow.
children. We came closer. So
Yeah.
for me, it was a complete mixed bag thing, but it was mostly a happy zone. A
और
happy
क्या
zone.
करा? So I'm saying rather than mostly, if you can identify for yourself, क्या ये भी feel हुआ था, ये भी feel हुआ था. I was sad at times, I was angry at times, I was clearing at times, I was this at times. So get
To
present
some
to all
extent,
that.
frustration was there. To some extent, frustration was there, but I overcame. Maybe because of the kind of profession I'm into it. Maybe.
Sure.
But frustration was there, no doubt.
Absolutely. So as we are moving on, my request would be Paolo to keep looking at it. बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. जैसे अभिलाषा कह रही थी ना कि यार मेरे को तो सब कुछ ही दिख रहा है. ये सब कुछ दिखेगा. किसी को कुछ ज्यादा दिखेगा, कुछ कम दिखेगा. But take this time, So, okay. So I'll say that after. Anybody else who wants to share what have you been going through, and just share the feeling words. If you can just say it out, that will be great. So if you're quick, then we'll have a couple of more people share.
I would like
कविता
to
वो
share.
annotate नहीं हो पा रहा
I'm
अभी भी.
not able to find it.
चलो, not a problem. Leave it. Let's move. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm Babita Chunjanwala and I would like to share. Initially, there was a feeling of relief that I don't have to go out of the house anymore and everything can be done online,
Yeah.
purchasing, shopping, everything. So that was a relief, वो भागा दौड़ी वाली जिंदगी एक बार करे तो it was over. And then came the pressure of housework. So that also family members helped. So I was feeling happy that yes, everybody is pitching in. So that was good. And then it was irritation, things were not getting done the way I wanted to be because everybody has their own way of doing.
And everybody's together.
Everybody's together. And so after a few days, I felt ki, everybody is okay at their place only. Children are better in school or college. Husband is better at the office. I am better at what I'll be doing on my own and all that.
Absolutely.
And so there were a whole range of emotions, from happy and then despair and then irritation, angry, and then at the same time seeing everybody around, feeling safe that everybody is here
Absolutely.
with me.
Blessed.
My college going kid, he had to stay at home. He was not away from me. So that way I was feeling really, really blessed that now I have him for some months with me. So all those feelings I went through.
Absolutely. And thanks, Lovita, for sharing that. And I'm sure each one of you would have gone through all of this. And my request, as you're going through it, as you're pinpointing everything, as I said to Parul and I was saying that don't categorize them. And second thing, it's absolutely fine to go through the overwhelm. It's absolutely fine to feel bored, having despair, having the guilt, being lonely, being happy, being enjoying, being grateful, being loving, being powerful, being powerless. Like one moment you're feeling so powerful, the next moment you're feeling completely powerless. एक न्यूज आती है और वो सडनली डाउन कर देती है, दूसरी न्यूज आती है वो सडनली ऊपर कर देती है. Into that roller coaster, and this roller coaster was very fast over the last 8-9 months. So my request to each one of you is, as you're getting present to all of this, give yourself the grace and the space to feel like that. Like really give yourself the grace and the space. It's absolutely fine to feel lonely and depressed. It's absolutely fine to be happy, to be ecstatic at times when you're seeing there's a world going around, they're angry, but you're not. Feeling that anger at times, even bursting out at times on children, it may not have been their mistake, and then feeling the guilt. Can you give yourself that grace? This situation has never happened before in our life. Mankind has never gone through this before. When I talk to the experts, the doctors, I tested positive about 2 months back. It was asymptomatic. After that 10 days of being in quarantine, I asked doctors, can I move out? Am I safe now to move out? I didn't get an answer. They didn't say yes, they didn't say no. And I asked so many doctors. They said, Sushant, I can't say it. You don't know. You can get your antibodies test, but has the virus changed? Has the virus mutated? Can it attack you again? How will it attack you? I have no idea because it never happened before. I don't have an answer. I can't answer you. So the best of the people don't have answers. We've associated with a lot of schools. I was speaking to a CBSE director, and he said, Sushant, I get thousands of calls from schools every day. School kab khulega, board ka kya hoga, uska syllabus ka kya kar rahe ho, uska kya kar rahe ho. He said, I don't know. I myself don't know. How can I say school खोल दो? How can I say course काम कर दो? मुझे पता ही नहीं है यार. हम खुद जूझ रहे हैं उससे. So each and every person is going through something we've never gone before. So it's okay to feel whatever you're feeling. Give yourself that space. रोना आ रहा ना तो it's fine. उस वक्त लग रहा है यार कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, it's fine. उस वक्त लग रहा है मैं सब कुछ कर लूंगा, perfectly fine. So as you're doing this exercise, my request is just get present to that and let it be.
Sushant, the
Anybody?
annotations
may-
are working now.
Okay, not a problem. I was actually wanting to say it when people were doing it.
Okay.
Not a problem. Thanks.
May I share something?
Sure,
I'm
Alka. Sure.
Alka Agrawal from Mumbai.
Yeah, Alka.
Yeah, okay. Because actually today only I have joined the group, and I'm really thankful to Kavita that she added me today, because actually I was searching for such workshops, especially on parenting, because and today thank you so much Sushant ji, because you said कि आज वो कचरे के डिब्बे में डाल दो, am I a bad mother? Because sometimes we think because मैं I'm a writer, so मैं बचपन से बच्चों को खुद लोरी बना के सुनाती हूँ, या जैसा भी था कि फिल्म की नहीं है, लेकिन स्पेशली दैट्स रियली गुड जो आपने एक चार्ट बताया है कि फीलिंग्स है. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दैट अपने से ज़्यादा मैं छोटे छोटे बच्चों के लिए सोच रही थी कि हम जब छोटे बच्चे थे, अगर ये सिचुएशन उस वक्त आई होती कि वो बच्चे बेचारे अपना बचपन एंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहे. माई डॉटर इज नाउ शी इज 16 year old and she was in 10th, okay, because her 4 papers were not taken. तो मुझे ये इतने सारे प्लान्स उसने बनाए थे कि आफ्टर एग्जाम्स यहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ जाएंगे, सारे के सारे उसका वो धरा रह गया. तो
How
I was
did you
feeling,
feel about it when that happened? So my question is about
yeah,
you. बच्चों पे भी चलते हैं, 2 मिनट बाद चलते हैं.
ओके ओके. तो मैं
अपने ऊपर
मतलब
क्या
मैं
हो रहा था?
हाँ सुनिए शुरू में, बिकॉज एक्चुअली आई वाज हैविंग मेरी ननद का बेटा एंड माय सिस्टर डॉटर दे वर हियर, तो वी वर एंजॉयिंग दैट पीरियड, क्योंकि एक हम लोग का ऐसा फैमिली टाइम होता था. हम लोग लूडो खेलते थे, हम लोग लूडो खेलते थे, शुरू में हमने बहुत उस पीरियड को एंजॉय भी किया. खाने में ये बनेगा वो बनेगा वो बनेगा, फिर माय गुडने लगी ये क्या यार, ये लाइफ है, ऑल द टाइम ईटिंग ईटिंग ईटिंग, नथिंग एल्स. एंड बिकॉज सी I'm a writer, then I started my online बहुत सारे programs मैंने शुरू किए, वर्ल्ड लिटरेचर का रीडिंग शुरू किया. तो एक चीज बहुत अच्छी हुई, और मैं I don't curse this time because we have broken the rules and regulations of nature. नेचर ऐसा नहीं हो कि नेचर सिर्फ सहती है, नेचर
अलका मैं रोकूंगा. Can we stick to this only because of the time? We have very less time.
तो मैंने मतलब मुझे लगा
अपनी
कि
फीलिंग शेयर
I
कर दो,
enjoyed.
whatever you went through.
फीलिंग मेरी ये है कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा डिप्रेशन कभी नहीं हुआ. एक बार आया, जैसे जब मेरा कोई भी हेल्पर नहीं था, तो एक बार हम लोग कर रहे थे और हम लोग सब लोग मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं, तो एक जो टुगेदरनेस की फीलिंग आई, दैट इज रियली गुड. उस समय मतलब मुझे ये लगने लगा कि हम लोग कभी थैंकफुल नहीं रहते, तो वो एक फीलिंग आई कि उनके लिए हम लोगों को फीलिंग होनी चाहिए हमारे हेल्पर्स के लिए. बट मुझे बहुत नेगेटिव वर्ड यूज करने का है. बहुत
Don't worry,
वैसे
I'm
कि
only asking you to get present. ये नेगेटिव वर्ड मेरे बोलने से नहीं निकलेगा.
नहीं. तो मुझे कोई बहुत वैसे, बिकॉज आई एम एंजॉइंग एंड आई हैव गॉट कनेक्टेड ग्लोबली. तो मुझे तो लग रहा है कि पैंडेमिक एक वर्स अच्छी तरह से आया, तो मेरे अंदर कोई बहुत वैसी फीलिंग नहीं आई.
अलका इस चीज को एक बार सोच लेना जो आपने बोला है.
Yeah.
आई एम श्योर वो नहीं बोलेगे. टेक योर टाइम कि यार अच्छा हुआ पैंडेमिक ने बहुत
नहीं
अच्छा कर दिया.
अच्छा नहीं हुआ बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत बुरा हुआ है.
Absolutely.
कितने
As
लोग
humans, it
जो
hurts.
अच्छे खासे लोग एक्टर्स हैं, वो सब्जी का ठेला लगा करके बेच रहे हैं, लेकिन
Exactly.
शायद एक सीख देने के लिए आया है, और हम लोग को सीखना
मैं
चाहिए.
सीख की बात नहीं कर रहा अलका, मैं तभी रोक रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. हम लोग ना, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू क्रिएट फॉर यू ऑल. हमें ना बचपन से सिखाया जाए टू बी पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव मत सोचो, रो मत, सैड मत हो, हमेशा हैप्पी चीजें देखो. मेरा एक छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से, एज आई एम हैविंग दिस कन्वर्सेशन, कैन यू कीप दैट असाइड फॉर अ व्हाइल. यू नो, अगर मैं आपसे एक चीज पूछूं, एक सेकंड, एक क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से, अपना ये पॉजिटिव अप्रोच मेंटेन रखना, अपना एक पॉजिटिव कवच पहन के रखना, और अपने आप को हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचना, और नहीं यार मैं बच्चों के सामने ढीला नहीं पड़ सकता या नहीं पड़ सकती, मुझे इतना करना है, मुझे पॉजिटिव रहना है, मुझे स्ट्रांग होना है. इसको बरकरार रखने में कितना एफर्ट और कितनी एनर्जी लग रही है?
ये है, मैं एक चीज शेयर करना चाहूंगी.
एक सेकंड अलका, अभी मैं आपके पास आ रहा हूँ. मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आई विल कम टू यू बिकॉज़ इट गो समवेयर एल्स. हाउ मच एनर्जी एंड एफर्ट डज इट टेक टू कीप दैट पावरफुल फ्रंट always on? You can unmute and say it. You don't have a barometer for it, you don't have a thermometer of it, but just say it. कितना लग रहा है? काफी लग रहा है? दम लग रहा है? मेहनत लगती है?
Immense, uncountable, I think.
So एक मेरा छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है, अभी 10-15 मिनट के लिए ना उसको साइड पे रख दो. Just keep that aside. अभी भी ना मुझे वो एक्सपीरियंस आ रहा है कि नहीं यार, नहीं नेगेटिव नहीं है, मैंने तो नहीं पूछा नेगेटिव है पॉजिटिव, मैं तो बोला फीलिंग्स बता दो. बट इफ यू नोटिस आर कॉन्वर्सेशन कोई नहीं मुझे नेगेटिव नहीं लग रहा था, मैंने तो नेगेटिव पूछा ही नहीं. एंड आई एम नॉट इवन सेइंग यूर राइट और रॉन्ग, दिस इज ह्यूमन. आज से 5 साल पहले मुझसे कोई फीलिंग्स पूछा था, मुझे तो फीलिंग्स ही नहीं पता होती क्या होती है. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आपको नहीं पता, इट्स प्रीटी नॉर्मल. बट वो कवच जो हमने पहना हुआ है उसको साइड पे अगर रख दें 5 मिनट के लिए, वापस ले लेना, मैं नहीं ले रखे जा रहा कहीं पे. Can you keep it aside and experience? Let these feelings talk to you, and give yourself the space and a grace and saying, "Yeah, ठीक है. It's okay to feel whatever you're feeling. Good, bad, ugly does not matter.
So
Experience
can
it."
I say?
Sure, Vinita.
एक सिर्फ एक बात है, मैं
Yeah,
2
Alka.
बार रोई हूँ. एक मेरी फ्रेंड के यहाँ का हेल्पर था, ही डाइड. उसका जब मुझे पता चला तो मैं उस दिन बहुत डिस्टर्ब थी एंड आई वाज शाउटिंग ऑन एवरीवन. मैं गुस्सा थी. क्यों गुस्सा थी? बहुत सारी चीजें मिक्स फीलिंग्स आ रही थी. आपने बोला तब मुझे याद आया. एंड सेकेंड टाइम आई वाज डिस्टर्ब वेरी मच. हमारे यहाँ जो मिल्क पर्सन है, जो दूध देने आता था, वही हमेशा हिसाब करने आता था. एंड व्हेन आई केम टू नो दैट ही डाइड, तो मुझे पूरे समय ऐसे लगता था जहाँ वो आके बैठता था, आई वाज ऑल द टाइम जस्ट आई वाज थिंकिंग ही वाज सिटिंग देयर. और क्यों वो चला गया? तो क्यों ये फीलिंग मेरे अंदर आ रही थी. बहुत लंबा हो गया. आई एम स्टॉपिंग माई सेल्फ नाउ.
Not a problem. Alka, it's okay. So take the time, okay? And I'm requesting people who haven't shared, take this time
Can
to get present to
I
it.
add something? Hi,
Sure.
I'm Minakshi.
Yeah,
So
Meenakshi.
I just wanted to add that in our rush life which we had before this pandemic, we used to suppress all our emotions. Like गुस्सा आया, 5 मिनट गुस्सा कर लिए, उसको भी छोड़ दिया, अरे छोड़ो ये काम पहले कर लेते हैं. रोना आया तो अभी नहीं रोएंगे, पहले वो कर लेते हैं. बट इस पैंडेमिक ने सिखाया है कि अपने अंदर जो है उसको भी फील करो और उसको निकाल दो. आई मीन इफ यू आर क्राइंग, ओके टू क्राई.
Perfect.
हम लोग अपनी सारी फीलिंग्स को, सारे डर को छुपा देते हैं लाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को निभाते निभाते, कि भाई अभी नींद आ रही है लेकिन उठ के जाना ही पड़ेगा, बेटे का स्कूल है, अभी चाय बनानी ही पड़ेगी. लेकिन
So
इस
Meenakshi, you could actually get present to your feelings and emote them out.
या दैट्स व्हाट आई एम
Wow,
सेइंग कि जैसे
brilliant.
आज भी घर में यही हुआ कि प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप कि भाई अब बहुत हो गया इस पैंडेमिक का, तो अब एक ट्रिप करते हैं, बाहर घूम के आते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. बट देन वही घर में हुआ, पापा बोले नो, वी आर नॉट गोइंग आउट नाउ,
I know.
इफ वी हैव टू बी सेफ. ही वाज राइट, बट देन झगड़ा हो गया बिकॉज आई वाज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि अब और नहीं रह सकते. So these are the feelings which we are going within our family every day, जो पहले हम लोग नहीं करते थे. गुस्सा होके ऑफिस चले जाते थे, छोड़िए बात नहीं करेंगे.
Great.
बट अब वो
Good.
बातें
Good
खत्म.
diffusion. Brilliant, yeah, brilliant. And thanks for saying that, Meenakshi. This is where I'm going to take everybody there. So एक question है आप लोगों के लिए. So last 15-20 मिनट से हम शेयर कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं, और आई होप आपने वो जो कवच है उसको साइड पे रख दिया है थोड़ी देर के लिए. और अगर नहीं रखा तो 1 मिनट ले लो, उसको साइड पे रख दो और इन चीज़ों से अवेयर होके इसको आर्टिकुलेट कर पाओ. तो लेट्स टेक अनदर हाफ अ मिनट जस्ट फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू गो थ्रू दिस सर्कल अगेन. गेट प्रेजेंट टू इट. Get present to each and every emotion, like the boredom of it, the busyness of it, the tiredness of it. वो इतनी थकान हो गई कि रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है, वो इतने खुश हो रहे हैं, वो इतना मज़ा भी आ रहा है, वो बच्चे कॉलेज नहीं गए तो उनके साथ इतना टाइम मिल गया, पता ही नहीं था ये टाइम दोबारा ज़िंदगी में मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, वो भी मिल गया. When we look at people outside and see कि yeah, we are so blessed, वो भी फील आई, लोनली भी फील हुई, फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी हो गया, बहुत हो गया यार, अब आगे चलते हैं, अब नहीं हो पा रहा. आई मेड अ प्लान. Saturday evening we said we'll go out to a farmhouse location in Delhi. सुबह उठते उठते पूरी रात में सो नहीं पाया, सोचते हुए यार वहाँ पे अगर कोई और ऐसा बंदा आया हो, कुछ खा के गया हो, कुछ छोड़ के गया हो, हम वहाँ चले जाएं, हमें कुछ हो जाएगा. सुबह मैं उठा और मैंने फिर से प्लान कैंसिल कर दिया. मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं प्लान कैंसिल करूँ नहीं करूँ, और उसमें मेरा दिमाग फट रहा था. संडे को ब्लेम भी कर रहा था अपने आप को और बोल भी रहा था अच्छा ठीक है नहीं जाना चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स डेंजरस. इट्स ओके यार, इट्स परफेक्टली फाइन टू बी इन दैट सिचुएशन. नहीं पता कैसे हैंडल करें. कैन आई गिव माई सेल्फ द ग्रेस कि यार ठीक है, तुम्हें आंसर नहीं आता. यू डोंट हैव टू बी इन कंट्रोल ऑल द टाइम. यू कांट बी ऑन कंट्रोल. So as I'm creating this for you, how many of you really experience right now इस रूम में मतलब we are in a virtual room, we are all sitting in different cities, different homes, that there is some warmth in the room right now. एक connection feel हो रहा है सबके साथ. लग रहा है किसी को जो चिक चिक आधे घंटे पहले जो दिमाग में चिक 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 चल रही होती है वो थोड़ी सी शांत हो गई है. There's a थोड़ा सा ठहराव आ गया है जहाँ पे हम बैठे हैं अभी. लग रहा है लोगों को. Just get present to it and get present to the load which was there. It's not gone, but there's some easing out. ये थोड़ा सा shoulders ना थोड़ा सा ease out हो रहा है. It's fine. It's okay to be in that. I don't have to be in control all the time. I don't have to be that strong person all the time. And by the way, एक myth मैं तो आप सबका तोड़ना चाहता हूँ. हम सोचते हैं to be strong हमें strength देता है. ये actually myth है. When you be vulnerable, when you are able to have that courage to say, yaar, I am feeling lonely, I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling fearful for myself, for my family, I'm feeling happy. The day we are able to say that to ourselves, what are feeling, that is called strength. That is what is power. अपनी फीलिंग को शेयर करने में जितना दम लगता है ना, वो उसको छुपाने में नहीं लगता.
True.
So if you all felt that there is togetherness in the group, there is Therav in the group right now, what is the way we can take this space, what we just created, भी थोड़ा सा ही हुआ है, at our home, you know, our children, अगर हम लोग एक रोलर कोस्टर पे हैं और हमारे को स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी थी पिछले 8-9 महीने में, हमारे बच्चों को कितनी थी अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं? हमसे कम, हमसे ज़्यादा, हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा, या हमारे जितनी? क्या बोलोगे आप लोग?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा is the answer. At
And they
least
were not able to express.
Absolutely, they're not just express. Just think about it.
They're
उनके
not able to
ऊपर
feel also.
हमने बच्चों को सिखाया नहीं है. हमारे बच्चों पे 100 गुना ज्यादा प्रेशर है हमसे. 100 गुना, if not more. You know, all our children have at least 100 times more energy than us. वो एनर्जी पिछले 6 महीने से 8 महीने से ना चार दीवारी में बंद है. वो भाग नहीं पा रहे हैं, वो खेल नहीं पा रहे हैं, वो दोस्तों से नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, वो खाना नहीं खा पा रहे हैं जो वो खाना चाहते हैं, वो बाहर जाके मस्ती करना चाहते हैं, वो धक्का देना चाहते हैं, अपने दोस्तों से गले मिलना चाहते हैं, लड़ाई करना चाहते हैं, वो कुछ नहीं हो रही है. वो स्कूल में जो एक्शन होता था, जो एनर्जी निकलती थी उनकी, वो सारी एनर्जी बंधी पड़ी है 8 महीने से. और वो किनके साथ बैठे हैं? हम एडल्ट्स के पास. एंड जस्ट सी दिस, एंड आई एम श्योर ये हर एक के घर पे हो रहा है. बच्चे एडल्ट्स के साथ हैं. घर में 5 एडल्ट हैं, 2 बच्चे हैं, 6 एडल्ट हैं. कोई भी एडल्ट जब बच्चे के आसपास से जाता है ना, तो उसको एक इंस्ट्रक्शन देता हुआ जाता है. तू खड़ा हो जा, तू बैठ जा, तू सो क्यों नहीं रहा, तू जाग क्यों रहा है, तू ठीक से क्यों नहीं बैठा, तू खा क्यों नहीं रहा, तू खा क्यों रहा है, तू लैपटॉप पे क्यों है, तू लैपटॉप बंद कर दे. Just imagine that every human, every adult, when they pass a child, they have to give an instruction. 5 people giving that child instructions by that minute. पागल हो जाएगा कोई हमें ऐसे करेगा तो हम तो थप्पड़ लगा देंगे जाके. और वो बेचारा सुन रहा है. वो कहता है उठता हूँ तो बोल रहे हो सो जा, जब सो रहा होता हूँ तो बोल रहे हो उठता क्यों नहीं है, नहाता हूँ तो नहा क्यों रहा है, ज्यादा क्यों नहा रहा है, कम क्यों नहीं नहा रहा, तू नहाने क्यों नहीं जा रहा. कह रहा है यार एक बंदा एक्स बोल रहा है, वाई बोल रहा है, मैं करूँ क्या. और उसके बाद गेटिंग ऑन योर लैपटॉप 6 hours 4 hours in a class, they need action in the class. यार they don't need a chair and a table and a laptop in a class. बंधे पड़े हैं, उनको एक्सप्रेशन ही नहीं है. They don't have their friends to talk to, they don't have their teachers to talk to. And the amount of exposure, the sexual content is multifold right now. The bullying has gone out of the roof. उनकी गेमिंग में, उनके व्हाट्सएप पे, उनके इंस्टाग्राम में इतनी गंदी तरीके से बुलिंग हो रही है कि हमें पता ही नहीं है. एंड दे हैव नो आइडिया वेयर टू गो. सो ये जो आज हमने लैंग्वेज सीखने की कोशिश करी है वो उनके पास है ही नहीं. एक्चुअली हमारे पास ही नहीं थी, हम सिखाए क्या. So you know what we need to do with our children, and starting today is this. आपको क्या दिख रहा है अपने स्क्रीन पे? क्या दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे?
मास्क.
मास्क. हमें ना अपने मास्क उतारने हैं सबसे पहले, अनमास्क शेयरिंग करनी है। अनमास्क शेयरिंग जिसका हमने आज थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस लिया, शेयरिंग आवर एंजाइटीज एंड फियर्स विदाउट दैट मास्क ऑफ परफेक्शन कि मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, मुझे स्ट्रांग बनना है। नो एजेंडा, नो एडवाइजिंग। You know, when you were sharing, the only thing I was saying, it's perfectly fine, it's okay. Pour yourself out. Don't put these feelings in a bucket. There's nothing negative, there is nothing positive. Whatever you're feeling, you're experiencing, that's human. Our children really need that let out. और अभी उनके पास आपके सिवाय कोई और है ही नहीं. They don't have access to their counselors, they don't have access to their teachers, they don't have access to their friends. वो जो मिल के बात होती है वो है ही नहीं. आप लोगों को वो रास्ते खोलने पड़ेंगे और ओनली वे टू ओपन इज यू पोरिंग इट आउट एंड यू क्रिएटिंग अ स्पेस कि इट्स ओके टू टॉक अबाउट इट. हमारे बच्चे हमसे 100 गुना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में हैं, लेकिन क्या वो बोल रहे हैं? क्या वो हमें बता रहे हैं? क्या वो उसको आर्टिकुलेट कर पा रहे हैं? क्या उसको प्रेजेंट हो पा रहे हैं? हमको उनकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन दिख रही है. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे गुस्सा, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे चिल्लाना, छोटी छोटी चीज़ पे नाराज हो जाना. स्नैपी हो रहे हैं. वो किस लिए हो रहे हैं? वो लेट सो रहे हैं, वो सुबह नहीं उठ रहे हैं, वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. वो आउटलेट है, लेकिन कोई आउटलेट ही नहीं है. एंड बाय द वे, ऑल व्हाट इज देयर गेटिंग बॉटल्ड अप इज डेंजरस. बाय द वे, डेंजरस. You know, when this whole incident of Sushant Singh Rajput happened, we got calls from children saying कि सर जीने की क्या जरूरत है? What is life all about? Kids talking about it. I said, can you share this with your parents? कहते हैं वो समझते ही नहीं है यार, हम उनसे बात ही नहीं करते. वो बोलते हैं, वो ऐसा कुछ बोलने लगते हैं, वो बोलते हैं ऐसा मत सोचो, ऐसे नहीं सोचते, ये गलत बात है, डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. तू मस्ती करना, लाइफ तो बहुत बढ़िया है, जा खेल, जा ये कर. बट वेयर इज दैट ability to identify, get present to it, acknowledge it for yourself and then share it with people? तो जिसका हमने आज छोटा सा if देखा एक नमूना, we need to do that with our children, with our family members every day. No advising, no agenda. और जब हम ये सब कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो हम सबको जरूरत होती है उस टाइम पे. बता सकते हो जब हम कुछ ऐसा बोल रहे होते हैं किसी को, तो हमें किस चीज की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत होती है उस टाइम पे?
Strength.
कैसे मिलती है स्ट्रेंथ?
Presence.
Okay, presence. What else?
Love.
And how do you give that love? How do you express that love?
I think
listening.
listening is the most important.
Yes, listening.
लिसनिंग तो है ये, वो तो हम बात कर ही रहे हैं कि हमने सुनना है, हमें स्पेस बनानी है जहाँ पे वो बोल सके.
I think it's by being non-judgmental and just let them speak what they're speaking.
Perfect. तो वो तो अभी लिखा हुआ है इसके ऊपर, no advising, no judgments, nothing. So रोने का मन कर रहा है रो ले, जो करने का मन कर रहा है कर ले. एक और चीज जो मैं एक बहुत पर्टिकुलर चीज को ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
Like a friend.
क्या चीज, क्या बोली मैम?
Friend.
प्रेजेंस. एक और चीज मैं ही बोल देता हूँ.
Friend.
आई कैन. एक बहुत चीज है जो आप अबंडेंस में दे सकते हो, आपको अवेलेबल है, आपके पास भी बहुत है, उनके पास भी बहुत है, और हमें चाहिए बहुत जरूरी.
Touch. Are you talking about touch?
मैं थोड़ा सा टच से बड़ा कर रहा हूँ.
Hug.
जब वो बच्चे बोल रहे होंगे ना कि ये मम्मी ऐसा लग रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था, बुरा लग रहा था, खराब लग रहा था, फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो रही थी, ये हो रही थी, वो हो रही थी, उनको बोलो बोलते जाएं और उनको एक बहुत बड़ा हग कर दो. कोई एडवाइस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ नहीं. एब्सोल्युटली.
Sir, can I add something to this?
Sure, Meenakshi.
Yeah. So, sir, I have a 7-year-old, and what happens is बच्चे इस एज में झूठ बोलने लग जाते हैं. छोटी छोटी चीजें, I don't know why, but they start lying. So what I did is मैं उसको हमेशा बोलती हूँ, झूठ मत बोलना, जब तेरे को झूठ बोलने का मन होगा सच बोलना, I'll give you a big hug. So what he does now, वो आके सच बोलता है and he spread his hands कि मम्मा आप मेरा सच बोलने का हक दो पहले. So this actually works with a child.
It actually works with everybody.
Yeah.
जब तुम डाउन हो ना और तुम्हारा बच्चा आके तुम्हें हग कर दे, उससे सूदिंग कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So my request is abundance में इस चीज को देते रहो अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को और उनसे मांगते रहो. You know, every day my daughter, she's 14 right now, she'll come and says Papa hug, and अब तो बहुत बड़ी हो गई है, मतलब लंबी हो गई है. That 5 minutes is bliss. It takes away all the pain. It takes away all the stress. And कम से कम हम ऐसे आते जाते चलते फिरते ना, पता नहीं कितनी बार करते हैं ये दिन में. And it's so beautiful. I'm saying उससे pleasurable, उससे soothing, उससे ज़्यादा strength किसी और चीज़ से नहीं मिल सकती. So my
Yes,
request
sir. I
is
agree with you.
take
I
that
agree.
space, no advising, no judgment, listening and talking. उनसे पूछना नहीं है तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो रहा है, उनको बताना है कि तुम्हारे साथ क्या हो रहा है, आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है. दैट विल क्रिएट द स्पेस. हम लोगों ने अपने घर पे स्पेस बना रखी है कि हम ना, मतलब अगर मैं छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेता हूँ क्विकली, ये क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
बॉटल.
अगर मैं इस बॉटल का ढक्कन टाइट से बंद कर दूं और इसके अंदर पानी भरता रहूं साइड से, प्रेशर से भरता रहूं, क्या होगा एक टाइम के बाद?
फट जाएगा.
फट जाएगा.
फटने से पहले प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
यस.
हम सबके साथ पिछले 8-9 महीने से ही हो रहा है. At some level, things are getting bottled in. हमारी स्नैपीनेस, हमारा सडन ये होना, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होना कि अब बहुत हो गया यार, बाहर जाना है, अब बहुत हो गया, काम नहीं हो रहा है, अब बहुत हो गया, बात करनी है, अब बहुत हो गया यार, स्कूल जाओ तुम, मुझे टाइम दे दो, वो सब भर पड़ा है. What we are creating right now and what we want you to create it in your home is ये ढक्कन खोलो यार, ढक्कन खोलो, पानी थोड़ा सा
पी लो.
पोर आउट कर देना. पीना मत, पीना नहीं है, ये पानी नहीं है. When you pour out something, what will happen? This bottle will create more space. और हमें पता नहीं है कितना और अभी प्रेशर बढ़ना है, कितने और टाइम तक ये चलेगा और कैसे लाइफ में और आता रहेगा. कैन वी क्रिएट अ स्पेस एट होम दैट एवरी डे, सीरियसली डिनर टाइम पे ना, अपना फोन, अपना टीवी, अपना लैपटॉप, अपना आईपैड सब फेंक दो, खाना खाओ और ये वाली बातें करो. How was your day? What happened? What made you sad? What made you happy? What made you ecstatic? What was the best time of the day? What was the worst time of the day? Give each other the space to talk and you listen. और जिसको हक की जरूरत है और जिसको हक देना है, जिसको एक चाहिए उसको 10 दो. So that there's enough space in this bottle for yourself, for your children, कि भैया अभी और जगह है, अभी हम और ले सकते हैं. ये क्रिएट करना बहुत जरूरी है रोज. कहाँ पे हो आप लोग? क्या समझ में आ रहा है, क्या लेके जा रहे हो? कोई क्वेश्चंस, कोई थॉट्स, कोई डिफिकल्टीज, कोई मुश्किल? ये काम करने के लिए क्या रोकेगा? एंड एज मीनाक्षी वाज शेयरिंग ब्यूटीफुल, शी सेड कि यार मैंने इस टाइम पे इसको शेयर करने का टाइम निकाल लिया. आई थिंक दैट वाज ब्यूटीफुल. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. क्रिएट दैट स्पेस एट होम जहाँ पे हम ये सब कुछ बाहर निकाल सकते हैं, एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं. Imagine your child, your spouse, your in-laws talking like this every day. How would the experience of life would be? How would that family be?
Ideal.
Connected. I would call it intimately connected. And that's a dream for all of us. That's what all of us want. That's what child wants. और एक छोटी सी चीज़ बोल लूँ before we can also ask any questions, any thoughts, is because यार हमारे बच्चों के पास एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कोई और चारा नहीं है. आपको ये करना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है. पैंडमिक निकल जाएगा बट ये बहुत लोगों को मेंटली, इमोशनली डैमेज करके जाएगा. यू एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन टू आवर चाइल्ड. सो दिस विल इंश्योर दैट दे आर देयर गेटिंग स्ट्रेंथ इमोशनली, मेंटली. तो इसकी हमारी ऑप्शन नहीं है. ये करने में आसान नहीं होने वाला. ओके मैं बोल रहा हूँ और आज आप कर पाओगे और एकदम सही हो जाएगा, नहीं होएगा. ये जो नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स मना करने के बाद भी दिमाग में आ रही हैं, ये आएंगी. You don't have to make that wrong. This will take a lot of time before you differentiate कि there is no negative feeling. There is only feelings. गुस्सा भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है, गुस्सा उतना ही बढ़िया है जितना खुशी बढ़िया है. You cannot be happy all the time. That's not human. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to be feeling fearful. It's okay to be scared. Sorry. So any questions? Let's take the next 10-15 minutes for any questions, any thoughts. कुछ बीच में आ रहा है नहीं cover पाओगे, कोई questions आ रहे हैं, please let's talk.
So Shanji, there's a question on the chat.
Namrata, right?
Yeah.
Namrata पूछ ही लेती है. So Namrata is asking, I want to ask something, even if I personally don't advise, but there are many people who all are elders and everyone is just advising all the time. How do you deal with that? Namrata, very important, very critical question, because to be very frank, I had the same problem. I can share from my life.
Yes.
So
Hi.
two things I did. First, between me, my wife, and my son and my daughter,
Yeah.
actually stopped them. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा हक ज़्यादा था कि यार भैया देखो ये बोल रहा है ना, इसको बोलने दो, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. और इस चीज़ को करने में बहुत टाइम लगा. वो एक टाइम ऐसा आ गया कि जो मेरी बेटी सबसे छोटी है चारों में, थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने, अब तो हमारे घर में क्या होता है कि मैं जैसे डिनर के बाद उनको बुला देता हूँ, बात सुनो, मुझे कुछ बताना है, मुझे पोर आउट करना है, बैठो सुनो. तो बोला, वो सुन रहे हैं. तो उधर से अमन ने, मेरे बेटे ने कुछ बोलना शुरू किया. वान्या द यंगेस्ट एक्चुअली स्टॉप्ड हिम. कहती अमन भाई अभी ना पापा को सिर्फ बोलने दो. तो उस लेवल तक पहुंच गया. बट इट्स टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम.
Yes,
Then
of course.
I said, let's do it at the dinner table when my mom and dad are also there. Doing that with my mom and dad was tough because my mom will advise. She will say, ऐसे नहीं सोचते बेटा, ऐसे करो, ये नहीं करना, मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, देखो मैं ये भी करती हूँ, मैं वो भी करती हूँ. She will go on and then I have to say, मम्मी अभी कुछ नहीं बोलो please. It took a lot of, but she will still say, and I'll still point out and say, मम्मी अभी नहीं बात करेंगे, अभी किसी को भी कुछ भी बोलने दो. So my dad would start pouring, and I never expected my dad to say what is happening to him. And he sat on the table, and we were surprised the way he started talking. But then mom had to intervene, and I had to stop her. मैंने कहा मम्मी नहीं, चुप प्लीज, हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ. तो ये सब करना पड़ा. तो ये करना पड़ेगा. My request would be, start with your own small unit where you have more control, so that each one of you can get.
Diluted basket, these are flat baskets. Cheese, so it's the same thing.
So you can get some stuff together so that you can build your muscles on it. एक बार बन जाए घर पे 4 अपने husband wife बच्चों के बीच में, then extend it. Because बड़ों के लिए, क्योंकि ना बचपन से ही उन्होंने भी यही सीखा है, उन्होंने भी हमें भी यही सिखाया है कि यार रो मत. हम कह रहे हैं रो लो यार, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, रो ले, ये ले कंधा, रो, निकाल पूरा.
And that does not matter how young the child is or how old the child is, because when they are just toddlers and they are just growing up, every time when they are crying, what I feel is normally it is not the toddlers who are disturbed, but we are disturbed that ये क्यों रो रहा है, चं कर रहा है दिन भर, all that thing. So I have always felt that it is our patience level, and we don't have that patience to just wait and then see. And
पेशेंस की बात नहीं है. देखो हमें ना, हम इसको पेशेंस पे ले आते हैं. इट्स नथिंग टू डू विद पेशेंस.
अच्छा.
Our learning has been, and this learning is not yours, it's been through ages. क्या नेगेटिव फीलिंग के लिए पेशेंस गायब होती है, पॉजिटिव के लिए नहीं होती ना. जब कोई हंस रहा होता है थोड़ी बोलते हैं हंसना बंद कर. क्योंकि हमने ना उसको डिफाइन कर दिया. हमने कहा यार ये नेगेटिव है. अगर आप उसकी नेगेटिव हटा दोगे ना और उसको फीलिंग की तरह देखोगे, यार बच्चा हंस रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है ना, तो बच्चा रो रहा है, ही इज आल्सो फाइन. बट आप जैसे ही उसको बोलते हो यार रो रहा है, नेगेटिव है, तो पेशेंस खत्म हो जाती है. पेशेंस इज नथिंग टू डू विद इट. एक्चुअली जो आपने उसके ऊपर लेबल लगा दिया ना फीलिंग के ऊपर, ये फीलिंग अच्छी नहीं है, वहां पे पेशेंस लूज होगी. क्योंकि यार ये अच्छा नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं, अच्छा नहीं, खड़ा करके ना पेशेंस लूज होगी. ये ठीक है यार, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके टू क्राई. वो परेशान है, हो सकता है उसके पेट में दर्द हो रही है, उसको चोट लगी हो, वो खुश नहीं है, वो परेशान है. इट्स ओके टू बी परेशान. कोई यहाँ पे बैठा है जो लाइफ में कभी परेशान नहीं हुआ? कोई यहाँ ऐसा बैठा है जिसको लाइफ में खुशी नहीं मिली? कोई यहाँ पे बैठा है जिसको रोना नहीं आया? सबको आता है. इट्स all those feelings which I shared on that wheel with you, all are normal. This is being human. This is being human in total. ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ ये येलो वाला पार्ट ह्यूमन है और बाकी सारा इनह्यूमन है. नहीं, humans are emotional beings. That's the difference between humans and animals.
One
Can
more
we
thing,
acknowledge? So नम्रता, धीरे धीरे चलेंगे. एक बहुत लंबा आंसर आपके छोटे क्वेश्चन पे. धीरे धीरे चलेंगे, इसको मसल्स को बिल्ड करेंगे. It will take time. It will take a long time because this हम लोग बच्चों को ये क्लास में नहीं सिखाते, स्कूलों में नहीं सिखाते, पेरेंट्स भी नहीं सिखाते. तो इसको
exactly.
सीखना मुश्किल है.
One more thing that I'm always confused when even when I was a daughter and now when I am a parent is that when to step in and when not to, you know.
For example,
For example, कि भाई अभी अब बच्चे को बहुत रोकना जरूरी है, ये टू मच हो गया है.
क्या
और
चीज,
कब
किस चीज में एग्जांपल ले लो यार, ऐसे नहीं समझ में आएगा.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे रो भी रहा है कि बहुत रो रहा है, अभी रो ही जा रहा है, चलो ठीक है 1 घंटा दिया 2 घंटा दिया, अभी तक भी चल ही रहा है उसका चिक 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 चल ही रहा है. तो अब कब कब जाके तो उसको रोकना होगा ना, क्योंकि
क्यों?
इट्स नॉट ओनली यू. सो
क्यों रोकना है?
एग्जैक्टली
हग
दैट
कर
इज
सकते हो,
द क्वेश्चन.
हग दे
हाँ
सकते हो.
बिल्कुल
जा हग
बिल्कुल
कर दो,
बिल्कुल.
उसको बोलो जा रोना आ रहा है ना, आ जाओ गले लग जाओ. ट्राई दिस आउट टुडे एंड लेट मी सी वो कितने घंटे रोता है उसके बाद. उसको मम्मी का हक चाहिए.
Yeah, it's true. I've seen myself that
दे दो
it
यार,
makes a lot of difference. Thank you.
दे दो. एक छोटा सा और चीज है, ये जो वर्ड, बिकॉज आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ यू हैव यंगर चिल्ड्रन जिनको शायद ये वर्ड समझ में नहीं आएंगे. So what you can do is you can go onto the internet and Google for the feeling faces. Let me just show you what I mean by that. Take you to a different place in the office. ये दिखा है?
Oh, yeah. Emojis.
Absolutely. Not emojis, these are feeling faces. You can call it emojis. ऑफिस की 3 वॉल्स पे लगा हुआ है. ओके, वी यूज देम सो इफेक्टिवली. दैट एंटायर वॉल ऑफ द वर्कशॉप रूम, इट्स अ 15 feet 20 feet वॉल.
Wow.
पूरी वॉल के ऊपर ही लगा. बिकॉज हमें वोकैबुलरी आती नहीं है, हमने कभी सिखाई नहीं. सो छोटे बच्चों के लिए ये वर्क करता है, बड़ों के लिए भी वर्क करता है, बड़ों के लिए ये भी वर्क कर सकता है. सो we recommend one thing for all the parents who come for our sessions: you make this into a wall in your life, in your home. Make a feeling wall. We call these feeling walls, क्योंकि vocabulary, ये jargon हमने सीखनी है और बच्चों को सिखानी है.
How does this wall work?
That क्या फील हो रहा है. तो मैं जैसे मैं अगर मैं सामने आपके सीट नहीं रखता ना, तो शायद हम आर्टिकुलेट नहीं कर पाते इतना कुछ जो हम बात कर रहे हैं. ये वर्ड्स हमारे पास हैं लेकिन जहन में नहीं आते, याद नहीं आते, बोल नहीं पाते. जब सामने आते हैं देन वी कैन रिलेट. जैसे अभी who was saying, अभिलाषा was saying ना कि मैंने तो सारी फीलिंग समझी हुई है, लेकिन जब तक अभिलाषा ने सारी फीलिंग्स पढ़ी नहीं तब तक समझ ही नहीं आ सकता कि इतनी सारी फीलिंग्स थी. हम नॉर्मली सैड, बैड, गुड, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव बोल के खत्म हो जाते हैं. उसकी न्यूएंसेस बहुत है. सो रियली गेटिंग प्रेजेंट टू दैट एंड नोइंग इट एंड आर्टिकुलेटिंग इज अ डिफरेंट स्किल ऑल टुगेदर. तो व्हील पे ले जाके पढ़ लो, वॉल पे ले जाके लोगों को पढ़ लो. बच्चे अभी क्या फील हो रहा है. तो जब बच्चे रोते हैं ना नम्रता, तो उनको जाके बोलना, अच्छा अभी क्या लग रहा है. लेट हिम पिन पॉइंट टू, अच्छा अभी ये वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, अभी ये वाला शक्ल बन रही है, अभी ये वाला हो रहा है. It's amazing. It really works. And when somebody can connect, यार अच्छा आपको समझ में आ गया कि मुझे क्या फील हो रही है, ऐसे कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. Like when I was saying that and you could get present to your spaces, how many of you felt that there was a connect happening between me and you? Then I was sharing that and you were going through your own process. कि यार हाँ यार ये तो मेरे साथ भी हो रहा था. So guys, it's 4 sharp.
Yeah.
I don't know how you want to take something. We can take another 5-7 minutes.
So there
Any
are
questions, any thoughts?
two more questions on the chat.
Sure.
One is from Rasalika and one is from Suniti.
Okay. So
Should
ये
I
बोल
read
ही दो
out?
यार.
Is it
उनको
possible?
बोलने दो यार.
I don't know. Suniti's audio is not working actually.
अच्छा. Suniti is saying, my fear is that what if my irritable teen becomes an irritable adult? Keeping the pandemic aside, it's the hormones that worry me. Suniti, all the more reason for them to articulate it. So let me take an example. If your child is irritated and he comes to you and says, "Mom, मैं अभी irritate हो रहा हूँ," one method. Second method is he comes and gets irritated and shows the irritation, emotes the irritation. What do you want? What would you prefer? The first one. He
Not audible.
लिख दो, write it down. And this question is for all of you. मैं आके आपको बोलता हूँ कि मुझे गुस्सा चढ़ रहा है, अभी आप मुझे टाइम दे दो, मैं गुस्से में हूँ, वर्सेस मैं आके आपके ऊपर चिल्लाने लग जाता हूँ, गुस्सा करने लग जाता हूँ. Which is better?
First one,
obviously, right? And they come and say it, I'm irritated. This is exactly what we are doing. We are training them to get present to their emotion, not make the emotion right and wrong, and articulate it and communicate. This way of communication will let it out versus me letting it out on you. मैं आके बोल दूं कि सुनीति बहुत गुस्सा चढ़ रहा है, अभी मुझे 10 मिनट छोड़ दो, तो आप भी छोड़ दोगे ना, और मेरे को भी टाइम मिल जाएगा शांत होने का. और फिर अगर मैं आर्टिकुलेट नहीं कर पाता हूँ, मुझे नहीं बोलना आता है और मेरे को स्पेस नहीं मिल रही बोलने की, तो फिर गुस्सा तो निकलेगा ही यार, गुस्सा कहीं नहीं जाएगा. या तो अंदर पी जाऊंगा तो अंदर गड़बड़ करेगा, या मैं चिल्ला दूंगा तो रिलेशनशिप पे गड़बड़ करेगा. We need to learn how to articulate our emotions. So this entire process will not create an irritated child. It will create a child who can know his irritation and share it out and be normal. And through this period when they are teenagers, so अभी तो मजे आ रहे होंगे total. And last 7 years I've been through children becoming a teenager. And by the way, teenager is not 13, it's 10 now.
Yeah.
10 साल का बच्चा teenager है यार.
Rasalika, would you like to ask your question?
Oh, she also had a question.
Sure. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Like you said, you should not instruct your child, though. Is it possible not to instruct for their daily core and for studies, because they just keep on like abhi nahi, baad mein. How to come up with these things?
So, Rasalika, मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट मत करो, मैंने बोला कि इस टाइम पे इंस्ट्रक्ट मत करो. ठीक है, that's a different story. और वो इंस्ट्रक्शन से नहीं जाएगा. मतलब if you really ask me, आप पूरी जिंदगी उनके पीछे पढ़ाओगे, पढ़ ले, वो उस दिन पढ़ेगा जिस दिन वो बोलेगा मुझे पढ़ना है, नहीं तो वो बहाने मारते रहेगा. तो उसकी स्टोरी अलग है. That's a different say. How to make them responsible is a very different conversation. मतलब how to make them responsible, अगर हम ऐसे सेशंस में बात करेंगे तो कम से कम 8 घंटे लगेंगे वो कंप्लीट करने में. It's a very long process, it's a very slow process, because जैसे मैं अभी आपको बोल रहा था कि वो उस प्रोग्राम में you will have nothing to do because your child will start taking responsibility of everything. If just imagine your children take responsibility of their food, their hygiene, their health, their studies, फिर आप क्या करोगे? And that's possible. It just takes about 8 to 10 hours of conversations and you're practicing at home. So एक महीने के अंदर, चाहे वो बच्चा 3 साल का है, चाहे वो 30 साल का है, अगर वो सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लेगा तो आप वेले हो जाओगे, आपको कुछ ढूंढना पड़ेगा करने के लिए. That is what we do. That's a separate story. But जब ये pour out हो रहा है ना, उस टाइम पे इसको मिक्स मत करो. That's what I'm saying. Create the space of connection, pouring out, listening, talking as a separate space. जहाँ पे instructions नहीं हो रही, जहाँ पे तू ऐसे कर, ऐसे मत कर, ये कर नहीं हो रहा है. उसके बाद उससे पूछ सकते हो तेरे को कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए, तेरे को मेरी हेल्प चाहिए, मैं कुछ और बता दूं, ऐसे कर, ऐसे नहीं कर. That's a separate conversation, not mix it. Clear? So instructions नहीं बंद होंगी, इस टाइम पे बंद कर दो. This is only sharing and talking and listening time. Any other question? Anything else? And by the way, before a question, I just want to ask a few people. किस स्पेस में हो, क्या लेके जा रहे हो, क्या सीख के जा रहे हो, क्या करोगे? Let me know. So I would want a few, at least a couple of people to share. What are you getting out of this conversation? What do you get present to? What are you going to do with your children? How are you feeling right now? अभी क्या experience हो रहा है? अभी क्या feeling हो रही है?
I would like to say This is Richa here.
Yeah, Richa.
My takeaway from today's session is like to the point. Number 1, hug your child. Number 2, don't instruct. Number 3, just listen and talk.
And
Oh,
talk.
Very nice.
Yeah, Richa, मैं
And
उसको उल्टा
talk,
कर दूं.
yeah.
Talk and listen.
Talk and listen, yeah, that's fine too.
पहले खुद बोलो यार, क्योंकि ना उनको जगह नहीं मिलेगी जब तक हम नहीं बोलेंगे. तो अनमा शेयरिंग करनी है. Yeah, हाँ, शेयर करो.
Yes.
Perfect, brilliant, thanks. रिचा ने
आपने
तो पूरा
बहुत
मतलब समरी
सुंदर
दे दिया
point
है.
बोला है, not here and where.
अगर वो समरी कर दी पूरे सेशन की.
Thanks to you.
Thank you, thanks a lot, thanks.
I like to speak something,
Sure,
one
Abhilasha.
which I would be, taking it. Like my son loves to hug a lot, He loves like पूरे दिन में शायद उसे 50 बार भी hug करो तो वो कम
Wow.
होता है.
Wow.
It's like that. So, and I keep telling him, बस अगर अब एक और hug के लिए आया तो भाग जाऊंगी. Maybe after listening to you, I'll allow that to him. कि ठीक कर ले.
Absolutely.
कर ले, एक और कर ले, चल, like that.
नहीं, उसके लिए मत करना, अपने लिए करना.
हाँ, मतलब it's like that, like I, after listening to you, I just striked me कि maybe it is his need which I was avoiding, because like every time he takes a round, he has to come and kiss me and hug me.
Wow.
And I get irritated. क्या पूरे दिन लगा रहे में, like I said, don't you dare come near to me, it's like
How
that.
old is he?
He's 10. He's 10.
अभिलाषा स्पेसिफिकली ना हमारे कल्चर में ना लड़के बंद कर देते हैं थोड़ी देर बाद.
I don't know.
So my request is let it on जब तक चल रहा है, and you'll be lucky if it keeps going on and never ends.
Thank you. But that I think I would not stop right now. But every time he comes, I will allow him to do that. That's what I will take it away from today.
Absolutely. And experience it for yourself. It's a beautiful experience.
It's a beautiful experience. When you were telling me, it didn't strike me because for me it was a normal thing. Hug karna is a normal thing. Because for me and my son, it's a normal thing. Every day it keeps happening so many times a day. So मेरे लिए कुछ स्पेशल नहीं था, बट दैट वो फीलिंग अब समझ में आ रही है, शायद वो बहुत स्पेशल है.
परफेक्ट. ये देखो आरती कह रही है कि यार बेटा भागता है. तो आरती एक काम करना, उसको बोलना मुझे दे दे, मुझे चाहिए. मांग लो उससे.
So if I kiss my son, like end of the day he'll be like, here's your Amma, he'll give me back. He's like, I don't want anymore. He's always like, Mama, I don't want anymore. But yeah, when I'm sad and he sees Mama is not playing on, she's sitting idle, so he'll come and he'll be like, oh my cutie, he'll give me a tight hug. I don't know how he comes to know this, but whenever I've seen him, that whenever I'm sad or I'm silent or something, not doing actively what I do, he'll come and give me a hug.
Absolutely. यार उनको ये सारी वाइब्स समझ में आती हैं, उनको ज्यादा समझ में आता है. हम अगर शेयर ना भी करें ना, हमारी वाइब्स चली जाती हैं. So pour it out. Great, thanks for sharing and thanks for being there, and thanks Kavita for arranging this. My request is इसको यहाँ नहीं रोकना है.
सर मुझे एक चीज पूछनी है, थोड़ा आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो अभी चल रहा है. सर ऑफ लेट मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता कि बुली को कैसे हैंडल करें. अगर कोई फ्रेंड बच्चे को बुली कर रहा है, तो जैसे ऐसा फेस करना पड़ता है, तो उसको कैसे हैंडल करें. मैं बच्चे को क्या बोलूं
यार. मतलब एक लाइन में सोचिए, मैं नहीं आंसर दे पाऊंगा इसका.
मतलब एक्चुअली जैसे थोड़ा सा अगर मैं इसे और प्रिसाइजली डिटेल में बताऊं, मेरे बेटे को थोड़ा वॉकिंग में लिम्प है. उसे स्कूल में या अभी रिसेंटली 3-4 दिन पहले ही गली में एक फ्रेंड ने उसे बोला कि तुम कैसे चलते हो, तुम तो लंगा के चलते हो, या तुम्हारे पाँव में क्या प्रॉब्लम है. एंड वो फिर क्रिकेट खेल रहा था उनके साथ, एंड फिर वही केम आउट कि मेरे को नहीं खेलना है क्रिकेट तुम्हारे साथ. अब इन सिचुएशंस में मैं क्या करूं.
सुची, मतलब इसका ना एक लाइन में आंसर नहीं है. दिस कैन हैव अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट ऑन द सेल्फ एस्टीम एंड द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ अ चाइल्ड. ठीक है, सो उसका भी मतलब बहुत क्रिटिकली ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. नॉट बाय यू बट बाय हिम. सो वी हैव टू एम्पावर हिम. मतलब मैं बोल देता हूँ लेकिन वो इट मे नॉट मेक सेंस कि हाउ कैन ही कम टू अ प्लेस वेयर किसी और के बोलने से वो ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो रहा. तो अभी जैसे वो ना कि लिम्प से शर्म आ रही है, लिम्प गलत है, मैं गलत हूँ, वो ऑटोमेटिकली धीरे धीरे करके ना मेरे ऊपर आ जाता है, देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद मी. दैट इज व्हाट नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. Once he says there's nothing wrong with me, nobody in the world can say, मतलब कोई भी कुछ भी बोलेगा उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
सर वो उसने एक्चुअली वो किया, उसने जाके उसके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को और पेरेंट्स को बोला कि आपका बेटा बदतमीज है, मुझे तो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो है ही, तो यू प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर चाइल्ड. तो अब मुझे नहीं पता कि वो उसने हैंडल ठीक किया नहीं किया, बट ही डिड इट हिमसेल्फ. मुझे आके उसने सारी स्टोरी बताई कि ऐसे ऐसे मैं जाके उनको कंप्लेन करके आ गया.
Complaint is fine, whatever is fine, but I'm not sure how he like he. तो हमें ना उसका रिएक्शन, बिकॉज देखो अभी किसी ने उसको खेलते हुए बोल दिया, ये चीज कोई भी कहीं भी कुछ भी बोलेगा, राइट? जॉब में भी बोल सकता है, कल को स्कूल में बोल सकते हैं, बाहर चलते फिरते बोल सकते हैं. वी नीड टू सपोर्ट हिम टू अ लेवल वेयर एनीबडी सेइंग समथिंग डज नॉट इम्पैक्ट. So for example, the one of the parts of the programs which we do with parents is on their self-esteem, that they are I can for everything and they are not getting damaged by whatever the world is telling them. मैं मोटा हूँ, मैं पतला हूँ, मैं छोटा हूँ, अभी तो वो लिम्ब की वजह से हो रहा है, लेकिन all of us have gone through bullying, yeah, and all of us have been an impact of it. It wasn't easy. जो पतला है उसको पतलू बोलते हैं, जो मोटा है उसको मोटू बोलते हैं, जिसका चश्मा पहना हुआ चश्मे बन जाता है, and it's been tough and it left a mark on us. The whole idea is how can you support your child कि यार ये जो है इसका कोई scar ना रह जाए, and they are able to handle it normally. It will take a longer conversation, but we need to take them there. So in case you want to talk about it, we can talk about it. My numbers and email IDs are here. You want to contact us later. Let's surely look at it, because वो चीज उसके सेल्फ एस्टीम को इम्पैक्ट ना करे, उसका ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है.
Okay, sir.
So, maybe these are my numbers. If you will Google it, you will know. We can connect and we can talk about it. We can set up a session and go through that process again anytime. ठीक है guys, I'll have to close क्योंकि मेरा अगला सेशन शुरू हो जाएगा. I need 15-20 minutes of break in the middle.
Absolutely. It was fabulous,
really
Sushant.
thanks. My pleasure.
And what else to say? It was 90 minutes were actually very less.
I told you.
But hopefully we will, we will get to meet you again in your workshops.
Sure, absolutely. And feel free. We have these sessions every Saturday.
Yeah, on your Facebook group. Yeah.
There's one more thing I just want to add quickly. We were doing a lot of sessions on the screen addiction thing every time, which has become a huge problem everywhere. Not just young children, but adults are also going through it. So what we've done is we've created a small video series of it. It's a very small 7-session series which you can watch, and you can watch it with your child. It takes you through the process. जैसे हम आज process के through गए ना, उसी process के through वैसा ही एक similar process laid down, and you can do that exercises and work with your child together. The promise of that small series is that will get off. Like practice it for a month, and you can really take off yourself and them from the whole addiction of screens. It's minimally priced. There's a price to it, a very minimal priced. But if you want, I can share that link.
Please do.
See that. If you want to register, do that. Use it and share it with people, because this is something which is required for everybody. We thought webinars करके लोगों को नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. This series, just disseminate within your groups. Let them watch it. We've priced it 149 rupees for that series. And what we've said that उस series के बाद whatever issues you have, कोई implementation में issue होगा, तो we'll call you for a webinar which is not charged at all. So just take it away, give it to people. Feel free to.
Fabulous. Please do share the link.
मैं कविता अलग से आपको भेज देता हूँ, and if you can forward it to people.
Yes, absolutely. Even for your Facebook group.
अच्छा, Facebook group is Sushant. अच्छा, मैं वो link भेज दूँगा.
Yeah.
I'll send you a link.
Okay.
So all the best, guys. Happy parenting. Take care. And really, it's a beautiful, enjoyable experience. जो बता रहा था ना, जो पहली बार हाथ में उठाया और गोद में उठाया वाला experience, वो रोज आ सकता है. And really take care. And next time एक बार काम करेंगे, next time जो session करेंगे ना, make sure your husbands are also there.
Yes.
It really works.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Take care. Good night.
Yeah, bye.